I'm Golden Whitrod and
I'm Chris Whitrod.
And we're here at the Australian Institute of Bioengineering and Nanotechnology, where our powerhouse research team has been developing and testing a gene therapy on mini brains for the past 3 years to help find a cure for our daughter and kids just like her.
It's really exciting today because a family has just flown in from Romania with their 2 kids who also have SPG56, and today they're going to meet our Australian science team so that we can show them amazing things we've been doing here.
It's really an incredible moment as well, not just for these families to meet these incredible scientists and learn what they've been doing and where we're headed, but it's so special for our daughter Tallulah. At age 6, she's the only person still in Australia with SPG56. So for her to knowingly meet 2 other children who have the same condition as her and live the life that she's leading, you know, and the challenges that she faces, it's just really special for us to see that and for her to feel that she really isn't alone. The beautiful thing is what we're seeing here is when these families come together, our family, the Whitrod family and the Voineas family, who've also been actively fundraising in their part of the world to help to make this medicine for these children, we're seeing that when the big pharma aren't coming forward yet and supporting rare disease research and developing those medicines, families like ours are doing it. And we can only do it with the support of the wider community, with the support of the world. So please don't stop. Please keep supporting our mission. Please know that we will get there with your help. Any dollar that you can give, any share that you can do, share our story far and wide. We appreciate you so much. We know that with your help, we can give these children the life they deserve.